let's meet with our one other student by the name of Rishab. So he's also a brilliant student. He has gone through the same process. So I'm just stopping here and let's leave all the things on Rishab. He will himself tell and explain each and everything.
So, hello everyone. My name is Rishab. I'm the student of Career Company Institute, and I have learned so a lot from this institute. And I I suggest you to come here and join this institute because it's the best institute I have ever known. Because when I came here, I learned a lot of things, and I'm still learning here from the month of August 2022. And it's been a very good journey that I am here, and I am learning new things. And when I came here, I was not that much confident and not that much good in English. But when I came under the guidance of Omar sir, I got to know about more new things, and I start thinking very practically. And he told me about many other things which is beyond English. That if you want to speak English, you don't have to go on grammar. You should be very practical and you should be very frank with English. Until you will be frank with English means you have to think it very seriously, not take it very seriously. You take it very means frankly. As you can, for instance, we can say that like we say Hindi, it's our native language, but English is not native. We should not go for with grammar. We should go with our emotions, with our feelings. If we can easily understand the feelings to others, it means that we are capable of doing these things.
Okay, Rishabh, you first joined. You were a shy student in the beginning.
Yes.
I just noticed you at that point of time.
Yes.
That was so means, although you were quite confident, but yeah, somehow you were a bit hesitant. So, what different did you see in the class? What the environment was at that point of time? What different did you notice? Which you can say, yeah, that was something unique about Career Companion, about the teaching method and whatever. So, what was the starting impression of was there in your on your mind right from the beginning when you just entered the class and just you attended the first session? So, how was what was your impression at that point of time?
So when I first came into the class, when I joined here, and I held my first class, I got to know that we are not focusing on the grammar section. We are just focusing on the verbal way. We How can we speak? How can we justify our speaking languages? How we can speak and how we can convey our message to others. Our sir just told us that you should not go with grammar. You should go with the feelings. You should go with your thoughts. If you can easily present your thoughts to other, then it means you are capable of doing such things. And from
Right, like you mentioned, and you were confused. Some of the students were there, and like they mentioned, sir, we have got some vocabulary problem. We don't have words. We can't say
Yes,
what
yes.
is given topic, what you are giving to us. And they also said, sir, we don't know about grammar, what to say about present, how to say about past, or what will to say about future.
Yes.
So, and I was consistently telling them that no, it's not like thing. Just try to speak more and more, more and more. And with the passage of time, correction will be there. So you have gone through that process. Do you believe my point was right? That yeah, just speak more and more, more and more. Forget about vocabulary first. Forget about the all the fundamental grammars first. Just try to overcome hesitation, and this is the only way to increase fluency. Do you believe my this process, this methodology? Are you think no, it was working or not working for you yourself personally? What do you think?
So I personally say that it worked a lot for me. I still make a lot of mistakes. Sir said that if you are making mistake, it is that you are trying something. If you will not know that, how you will make mistakes. If I will not mistake, so how will I will be able to rectify that thing? And he said that you should try to make mistake, and then you will once you will start speaking more and more, then you will try to know that where I'm lacking, where I'm then you will try to focus on that particular thing, and you will already rectify this by speaking more and more. And we can say that this method helped me a lot, and still I'm trying to make mistakes and try to rectify it all by on my own self. And
Okay, so Rishabh, finally you have just gone through the process. You have come out of the class. You have completed your sessions. So means most of our students, viewers, they don't understand about our system. The career companion, they might don't know about this name. That what is the meaning of career companion or what is the process going on here for English. So means for the students who don't know about our system, they are unaware of this system. What message would you like to give them? as a student, as a part of this institute, you have gone through our team's management, or you have gone through the practice sessions of English department and computer as well. So means, what message would you like to give for the students who want to improve their English skills? So what do you think, how much career companion would help them under our guidance, under our supervision? What do you think?
So as it indicates from the name career companion, it will help you to help accomplish the target you which you want to achieve in your life. But it is also dependent on the mindset of the people, because there are two types of mindset: negative mindset and positive mindset. If he is giving you it, it can only give you the position, GPS, group positioning system. It is a part of your life. It will he will only light the path for you, but you have to work on it on your own self. If you have a positive mindset, then you can only work on it on your own self if you have positive mindset. But if you don't have that mindset in your mind, and still you are lacking that, it means you are not doing your practice properly. As I am here, I am still focusing on my work. I am intentionally wants to learn. If it will not come from my intentionally, then how will I able to do all these things on my own? Unless we know that we have all the resources here, but still we are not focusing on our skills, then how we are going to achieve that targets?
Yeah, that's great. So nice to meet you. Wish you best of luck and wish you bright future. And thank you for this short introduction.